I would like to welcome you all in the lecture series of project management. So the targeted audience of this presentation is especially those who are doing MBA, PGDM, and those who are working in the domain of management. So straight away moving on to the session. In this video, I'm going to discuss about the significance of project life cycle. What is project life cycle in project management? What are the relevance of project life cycle? So as you can observe, we'll understand the meaning of project life cycle. You know about any product, it is having a life cycle. Even human being, if you talk, it is we have like different stages of like birth, then growing stage and maturity, like depth. There are different stages which are involved in the life also. Same fashion, we have to come back. We have to make an analogy about the project life cycle. So the meaning of project life cycle, like how the project start. What about the growth of the project? Then closing of the project. These stages we can collectively call as like the project life cycle. So in the bookish language, or we can, as we can talk about the like a definition. Okay, like the definition is important. A rational order of activities that are applied to attain the project goals or objectives is known as project life cycle. Suppose we begins with a project startup, then later the momentum, the quick momentum will be started. Ultimately, closing of the project. So these are basic information about the project life cycle. Consider a graph. So we can represent the project life cycle with a following graph. In the y-axis, you can see the percentage of project completion. If I talk about the x-axis, it's a duration. Time is very important, and on-time delivery is very important. The project, when you want to start a project, you need to make sure that project will be delivered on time. So usually the project will be starting up with the startup phase. You can see the startup. At the time, the project manager arrange the resources, material, human power, everything in a combined fashion, in a synchronous manner. They will coordinate. Later, what is going on? There is a quick start with the team is formulated, norming, forming, storming, all the procedure, team formation, right? Later, the project starts booming up. Okay, it starts growing very fastly. Okay, so that is called actually quick momentum. It's a growth stage. Then when it comes to like submission or handing over to the clients or handing over to the customer, there is a finishing stage. Usually finishing stage goes very slowly because there are some formality to hand over the project to the clients. So that represent the finish or slow. So these are the major stage which are involved in the project life cycle. Okay, so the overall duration or life of the particular project can be explained with the help of a project life cycle. For your better understanding, you can see the explanation also. So I have explained by my own language. So if you want to have like standard languages, you can go through this particular thing. Startup phase. Here, project is started. Project manager will be chosen the project, and the project team, primary resources all are assembled together. Start working. It takes a little bit of time because we started the project manager started the project and just started the work. Second one is quick momentum. Once everything is ready, obviously the process will be started fastly. So it gains the momentum and it will continue until the end of the year. Okay. Then finish. It is the last stage here at the time, like handing over to the particular clients. It takes little bit of time. Okay. There are fine tuning will be there. Okay. We need to wait and we need to fine tune, smooth, and okay, everything should be taken care. These are the major processes involved in the project life cycle. I hope you understood this particular topic. What is the meaning of project life cycle? Let me know if you have any questions related to this topic. Thanks for watching this video. Happy learning. Have a great day.